So why Earth is important to us? So we must take a journey that how was the Earth formed? So we have traveled to the past, and our sun was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. We arrived too early, before our planet was formed. Almost 5 billion years ago. And now, the Earth was born. This is the early Earth, and it's hot, toxic. 4.54 billion years ago. It was like this. And the name of our eon is Hadean, Hadean Eon. When Earth was a young planet, the sun is just millions of years. Later on, Earth turned into like this. It is hot and toxic. $4.4 billion years ago, it was a young planet. Roughly, it's the size of Mars. It is colliding with Earth. Boom! It just collides with Earth. And those debris began to form a ring. After time, it formed a ring. So this ring, the moon will form. And from that ring, the moon was born. About 4.4 billion years ago. From that impact, the entire day is so fast. The entire day is just 6 hours. 3.9 billion years ago. Soon waters will form. So as we travel, the waters have formed. But there's only a small amount of water here on the planet. Same with clouds have formed. But there's no life yet. We need more water to have life. As more waters formed, it became an ocean planet. So this is dangerous. The moon is so close to Earth, making high tides and some tsunamis because of the gravitational influence of the moon, making it strong storms. Over time, the moon moves away from the planet. The waves calm and the planet spins more slowly. 3.8 to 3.7 billion years ago, lands start to form. And what about those tiny islands? They're also forming. So, Earth began to have life about 3.4 billion years ago. There was a one single life called the Cambrian. And then soon, it exploded over millions of years, called the Cambrian explosion. 2.1 billion years ago, The very first ice age happened. So Earth was a fireball, but now it's a freezing snowball and warm. Over time, the very first ice age melted. And also, the first continent was named Valabria. After the Valabria supercontinent, it ends already. 700 million years ago, it began an ice age. Again, Earth was a freezing ball. Ice age is just a cycle. Warm age, ice age, warm age, ice age. It is just a pattern. And our next geological period is Devonian. Earth has life now. In the future, it creates a supercontinent. And dinosaurs begin on Earth. Actually, Earth has life now. Even that time, Earth has life. Trees and animals. And the first animals were dinosaurs. So the name of our supercontinent is Pangaea. So about 200 million years ago, the supercontinent has broke up. So the name of the period first before Jurassic is Triassic. Hundreds of millions of years ago. Millions of years later, we arrive into Jurassic. 66 to 65 million years ago. An asteroid, it is named Chicxulub, hit in the Chicxulub crater, located in Mexico, North America. From the asteroid impact, all dinosaurs extinct already, and humans appeared. About 5 million years ago. So, humans appeared now. So, Earth has life. So, but the period is different. We're going to Quaternary period. Look at the Earth. Earth is like complete, formed. Waters, trees, and animals. And especially humans. 1 million years ago, we arrive into the period Quaternary. We're almost at the present. Hundreds of thousands of years ago, it began an ice age. Again, like before. So, they're already humans when there was an ice age. But this ice age, they're humans. The ice melt and the ice retreat to the poles. So, 6,000 years ago, this is our world, our time. 0 million years ago. We're now at the present, Anthropocene era. So, this is the Earth already. So, did you enjoy the story? After a 4.5 billion-year journey, we've made it. This is our world, our time. Now we can piece our incredible story. So, Earth might live in another 5 billion years.